Hey guys, Gun here. As you just saw, the stuttering and freezing. This is a simple fix for that. I'm using a Gamestar adapter with the hard drive on, which may be the exact reason why I'm having this issue, the adapter. But anyways, this is a fix for that. Go into the OPL library, select the game you're going to be playing, triangle into options, game settings, and then select mode 2 and mode 1. Turn them on. Mainly mode 2 fixes the issue, but mode 1 is also helpful. Also, reducing the DMA mode may also help. I need to note as well that some games are not compatible with mode 2. I still haven't found a game that isn't compatible with it, but anyways, mode 2 mainly fixes the issue, so I really hope this helps, because that took me a while for some reason to fix this. I didn't know what to do. I just thought something else was broken with my hard drive. Anyways, this is a simple video. Hopefully it will work, and thanks for watching.